Good morning, children. Today we will revise history lesson 1. Dash are the writing engraved on solid surface such as rock, stones, temple, walls and metals. Answer for that is inscriptions. Was a land gifted to temples. What it is called as Devadana. Dash period was known as the period of devotional literature. Whose period? Chola. Then Dash provides information about the Sultan of Delhi. Which gives information? Taj ul Masjid. Dash, an Arab-born Morocco scholar, travelled from Morocco to India. Ibn Battuta. Fill in the blanks. The inscription may provide detail about administration of Brahmadeya village, Uttira Meru. Dash had stamped the figure of goddess Lakshmi on his gold coin and had his name inscribed on it. Where is it? Dash had stamped the figure of whose period? Muhammad Ghori. Next one. Dash 3.6 grains of silver amounted to a jittal. Dash was patronized by Sultan Nasruddin Muhammad, slave dynasty. Minhaj us Siraj. Dash, an Italian traveller, visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. Niccolo Conti. Okay, now children, which inscription provide details about administration of Brahmadeya? Uttarameru. Who had stamped the figure of goddess Lakshmi on his gold coin? Muhammad Ghori. Jittal means what? 3.6 grains of silver. Then Dash was patronized by Sultan Nazir. Who is that? Minhaj us Siraj. Dash, an Italian traveller, visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. Match the following. You can learn. Start. We will revise only short answers and detailed answer. Okay. Who compiled Nalayira Divya Prabandham? Nadamuni. What does the word Tuzuk mean? Tuzuk means biography. Name Jahangir's memoir. Tusk-i Jahangiri. Tusk. Tusk -I Jahangir. I matto sekano Jahangiri. Tusk -I Jahangiri. Name the two different types of sources for the study of history. Primary source and secondary sources. List out the important mosque and fort constructed during the medieval times. What are they? Quwat ul Islam Masjid. ஈஸியாக இருக்கிற ஸ்பெல்லிங்கை யூ கேன் ரைட். ஓகேவா? மோத்தி கி மஸ்ஜித், ஜம்மா மஸ்ஜித், ஃபத்தேபூர் சிக்ரி, தர்கா, சார்மினார். இந்த 4 எழுதினா போதும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மஸ்ஜித் நேமு வேணாம். மோத் கி மஸ்ஜித், மோத் கி மஸ்ஜித், ஜம்மா மஸ்ஜித், ஃபத்தேபூர் சிக்ரி தர்கா and சார்மினார். The fort of historical importance at Agra Fort, Chittoor Fort, Gwalior Fort and Delhi Red Fort. Then mention the important foreign traveller. Who visited India during the medieval period? Who were all visited to India? Marco Polo, Ali Birni, Ibn Battuta, Niccolo Conti, Abdur Razak, Domenico Pace. Now we will see the detailed answer. This one is important. All must be thorough with this. Okay, ma'am? Now describe the different types of coins introduced by the rulers of Delhi Sultanate. The pictures and the legend on the coins. Legend na enama avangaloda symbol illa and the king oda picture. Convey the name of the king with the titles and portraits. Portraits na the picture. இப்போ ராஜராஜ சோழன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறப்ப அவரோட டைட்டில் இவர் ராஜாங்களுக்கெல்லாம் பெரிய ராஜா அப்படின்னு. ஸோ டைட்டில்ஸ், போர்ட்ரேட்ஸ், ஈவன், பிளேசஸ், டேட்ஸ், டைனஸ்டிஸ் அண்ட் லோகோஸ். த காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் மெட்டல் இன் த காயின் கிவ்ஸ் அஸ் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஆன் த. இப்போ ஒரு கண்ட்ரியோட எக்கனாமிக் பொசிஷனை வி கேன் நோ ஃப்ரம் திஸ் metals. mention of king's achievement like military, conquer, territorial expansion, trade link and religious faith can also be found in coins. What are all the military contacts, trade contacts they are having with other country will be coming to know. Muhammad Ghori had stamped during Muhammad Ghori period, being a Muslim also, they have stamped the figure of goddess Lakshmi on his gold coin and had his name inscribed it. Coins tells us thus, early Turkish invader was in all likelihood liberal in religious outlook. Copper jital are available for the study of the period of the Delhi Sultanate. Then silver tanga, silver coins introduced by Iltutmish. Alauddin Khilji's gold coin over the period they have used a different coins. Muhammad bin Tughlaq copper token currency or indicated of coinage as well as economic prosperity or otherwise of the countries of the time. A jittal contained 3.6 grains of silver. 48 jittal were equal to 1 silver tanga. So these are the 6 points you have to write for this question. Okay, thank you children. Prepare well.